Did QWQ-32B just crush DeepSeek R1? Or is the hype bigger than the results? Today we are testing these two AI models in an ultimate coding battle. I gave them the same Python challenges. First, to simulate the solar system, and second, to build a simple Mario game in Pygame. Which one writes better code? Who will come out on top? Let's dive in. QWQ-32B, developed by Alibaba Cloud, is a compact yet powerful AI with 32 billion parameters, competing with much larger models. It's now open source on Hugging Face and ModelScope and available through QWenChat. For the first challenge, I asked both AIs to write a Python script to simulate the solar system. DeepSeek produced well-structured code defining a celestial body class with mass, velocity and position. It also correctly applies gravitational forces and adds color to the planets for better visualization. Planets included in the simulation: the Sun, the center of the system, glowing gold; Earth, a blue dot orbiting smoothly; Mars, a red planet moving slower than Earth; Jupiter, the largest, moving at a much slower pace due to its massive orbit. Running the simulation, we see how each planet moves at different speeds. However, the system feels incomplete. Only 3 planets are included, while key celestial bodies like Mercury, Venus, Saturn and Neptune are missing. DeepSeek's version is clean and visually appealing, but the lack of additional planets is a noticeable drawback. Now, let's see how QWQ-32B compares. QWQ also generated a Python script, but its first attempt didn't work. After a second try, it finally produced a functional simulation. QWQ simulation only features the inner planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. There are no gas giants, making the gravity simulation less realistic. Another major issue: all planets appear as black dots, no colors to distinguish them, making it harder to tell which is which. Neither simulation is 100% complete, but DeepSeek has an advantage. It provides a clearer structure, adds color and makes it easier to visualize planetary motion. Final verdict for this round: DeepSeek R1 wins, not for having more planets, but for better structure, readability and visualization. For the second challenge, I asked both AIs to create a simple Mario game using Pygame. DeepSeek delivered a well-structured game using object-oriented programming. It defines a player class for movement, jumping and gravity. The game includes multiple platforms, making it feel like a real platformer. Key features: smooth left and right movement, natural jumping with proper gravity, multiple platforms. The gameplay feels responsive, with fluid movement and well-implemented gravity. It's not a full Mario game, but for an AI-generated script it's quite solid. Now let's take a look at QWQ-32B's attempt. At first glance, the code looks much simpler. There are no classes, just basic variables controlling Mario's position, speed and gravity. It does work, but the movement feels a bit stiff. The physics aren't so smooth, and there are no platforms to jump on, just a single ground level. Compared to DeepSeek's version, it lacks complexity and depth. So, for this round, once again, the clear winner is DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek R1 took the win in both challenges. It wrote cleaner, more structured code and delivered more polished results. Meanwhile, QWQ-32B struggled with errors, lacked visual details and produced simpler code overall. But does that mean QWQ-32B is useless? Not necessarily, it just needs more refinement. What do you think? Which AI impressed you more? Find the full codes and Python tricks in my Telegram channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.